Mixed economy. What is a mixed economy? Mixed economy is defined as an economic system consisting of a mixture of either markets and economic planning, public ownership and private ownership, or markets and economic interventionism. However, in most cases, mixed economy refers to market economies with strong regulatory oversight and government provision of public goods, although some mixed economies also features a number of state-run enterprises. In other words, mixed economy is a system in which both the state and private sector direct the economy, reflecting characteristics of both market economies and planned economies. Mixed economy starts from the basis of allowing private enterprises to run most business. Then the government intervened in certain areas of the economy, such as regulation and spending money on public services. So mixed economy consists of two sectors, the private sector and the public sector. Let me first discuss the private sector, where in private sector are the for-profit entities, where corporate and small businesses included. Second, the non-profit entities, where charities, community and voluntary organizations included, and the individuals or families. Second is the public sector. Under the public sector, there is the federal government and provincial or territorial government. And under the provincial or territorial governments, there is regional agencies and local municipal governments included. So, what is the difference between sector and private sector? Public sector refers to government-owned organization and government-provided services. Private sector refers to organizations that are not government-owned and the goods and services provided by organizations outside of the government. For example, companies owned by individuals are part of the private sector. Even the largest corporation with its common stock publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange is part of the private sector. What are the pros of the mixed economy? First, it is more efficient. Second, more stable. Third is it gives more equality. Why is it more efficient? The free market is proven to be more efficient at managing the economy than governments. Part of this is their incentive to cut costs and maximize profits. This leads to new innovatives all the time. These new innovations often free up resources that can then be used for the good of the entire country's population. Why is it more stable? The downside of the free market is that it is unpredictable and unstable. By allowing some measure of governmental control, a mixed economy allows for policies to be passed that bolsters weak links in an economy. This can help prevent recessions or help bring an end to recessions that were unavoidable. Why it provides more equality? Ideally, a mixed economy provides a way for the government and the market capitalists to balance each other. This prevents people from being forced to live in absolute poverty. A mixed economy also provides incentive for hard work and free enterprise as people are able to reap the benefits of their own making. These are the list of the advantages of a mixed economy. First, it promotes a quick economic development. In this type of economic system, both the public and private sectors can operate equally, which means that economic development will be quicker. This is especially true considering that economic resources will be utilized efficiently. Also, depletion of resources will be slowed down. Second, it creates a balance in regional developments. The Planning Commission of a country will be able to create policies for the improvement of every region. In addition, the government would also try to develop each sector of the population. Third, it encourages lesser income inequality. With a mixed economy, there will be lesser inequality when it comes to income, where the inheritance law is applied to enable members of society to become richer. As for the public sector, it would try to provide economic utility to the general public, leading to the further reduction of inequality in income. Fourth, it provides the freedom to own a property rather. People are free to obtain property in a mixed economy, which means that the idea to work even more will be encouraged. Again, this will help in the fast economic development, especially in the areas of industries and agriculture. This is the circular flow diagram of a mixed economy. So I will just give you a brief explanation of this diagram. So as you can see, the government's role in a mixed economy in a circular flow are governments purchases land, labor, and capital from household in the factor market, and second, they purchases goods and services in the product market. So according to Murad, he believed that mixed economy is that economy in which both government and private individuals exercise economic control. So this ends of my discussion of how a mixed economy works. I hope you learned a lot of it. Thank you for listening. Have a good day, everyone.